Friends, imagine investing in an SME IPO believing it's a genuine agriculture research company and later discovering that 93% of your money never went into the business at all. Today, we are exposing one such SME IPO scam where SEBI has banned a promoter from the stock market for allegedly diverting public money. This is the Nirman Agri Genetics case, and every retail investor must understand how this happened. SME IPOs are meant to help small and growing companies raise capital. But in recent years, SEBI has found multiple SME IPOs misusing investor money. In today's video, we will break down how this company raised 20.3 crore rupees, how the money was diverted, how NSE and SEBI detected it, and why the promoter is now banned. Nirman Agri Genetics Ltd, also known as NAGL, is a Nasik-based company. The company claimed to be engaged in agriculture and genetics-related business, including crop research and agri-products. The promoter of the company is Pranav Kailas Bagal, a young entrepreneur who projected himself as an agriculture professional. In March 2023, Nirman Agri Genetics launched its SME IPO. Through this IPO, the company raised 20.3 crore rupees from public investors. Like every IPO, the company promised that this money would be used for business expansion, working capital, and growth. The investigation didn't start randomly. SEBI noticed similar fund movement patterns between Nirman Agri Genetics and another SME IPO case called Synoptics Technologies. Interestingly, both IPOs were handled by the same merchant banker, First Overseas Capital. This raised red flags and SEBI launched a detailed probe. When SEBI asked the company about IPO fund usage, Nirman Agri Genetics gave contradictory answers. The company also failed to submit proper agreements, invoices, or proof for payments made to vendors. This is where the real problem started. SEBI found that large amounts of IPO money were transferred to 4 entities: Janvi Traders, Lalit Traders, Somnath Agriculture Trading Company, and VN Enterprise. Upon investigation, these entities were found to be either non-existent or not related to agriculture business. One shocking example: Janvi Traders used a forged APMC license. On the same day it received 2.5 crore rupees from the company, it withdrew 5 crore rupees in cash. This clearly indicated money laundering. NSE officials physically visited the registered addresses of these vendors. The result? None of the companies were operating from those locations. This confirmed that these were bogus shell entities created only to route money. SEBI then tracked bank statements. It was found that 6.75 crore rupees were routed through shell companies and finally landed in the personal and family accounts of the promoter. Money reached accounts linked to father, mother, uncle, cousin, and even an independent director. SEBI described this as a complex web of insider transactions. In September 2025, promoter Pranav Bagal sold 8.6 lakh shares, which is 10.7% of the company's equity. He earned 16.08 crore rupees from these sales. SEBI said these shares were sold at prices based on misstated financials, posing serious risk to retail investors. At the time of listing, promoter holding was 66.6%. By September 2025, it dropped to 44.3%, while the number of public shareholders increased nearly 4 times. This meant more retail investors were exposed to risk. Adding to concerns, the company announced stock split, bonus issue, and name change to Agricare Life Crop. SEBI stated that these actions were part of a larger plan to mislead investors and create artificial interest. Based on all these findings, SEBI passed an interim order. Company and promoter banned from accessing the securities market, promoter barred from buying or selling shares, bonus issue and stock split blocked, further investigation ongoing. SEBI concluded that 93% of IPO money was misused. Friends, this case clearly shows why SME IPOs require extreme caution. Always study fund usage, promoter background, auditor and merchant banker history. Because once money is gone, recovery is almost impossible. Stay informed, stay safe. If you found this video useful, like, share and subscribe for more stock market awareness.